Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Xampp installed and Apache running, plus Visual Studio 2022 with the web workload. Once done, open Xampp control panel and start Apache and MySQL so localhost responds. Next, install the PHP tools for Visual Studio extension or another PHP debugging bridge. This gives you project templates and debug integration. Make sure Xampp PHP ini is accessible. You'll edit it later. Now create or copy your project into Xampp htdocs or a configured virtual host folder so files serve immediately. You now configure PHP debugging. Edit Xampp PHP ini and enable Xdebug, setting Xdebug, mode to debug and Xdebug. Start with request to yes, set Xdebug. Client port to 9003 and Xdebug. Discover client host if needed. Once saved, restart Apache in Xampp. In Visual Studio, open the PHP Tools project or use Open folder. Then set the project's web root to the htdocs path or your virtual host folder. Make sure the server URL matches http://localhost/your app and create a path mapping so breakpoints align with served files. You finish by testing. Put an index. PHP in the project, set a breakpoint in Visual Studio and open http://localhost/your app to trigger the debugger. If nothing happens, restart Apache and double-check PHP ini changes were applied. Make sure the debug port in VS matches Xdebug's port and that your firewall allows that port. One key troubleshooting tip: if the debugger fails to connect, enable Xdebug logging and inspect the log for connection attempts. Often the issue is a mismatched port or missing path mapping. Fix those and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.